what's up, y'all? It's time for another random review.
What? No! Buy or buy?
Ooh, that's clever.
It's way better. Where we review random third-party accessories for our OnePlus 11 phones. Rico and I have purchased a mystery box of sorts, and we have opened it and review some of the nice, cool things we have just in time for summer.
Yeah, and we're gonna be throwing some crazy cool pool parties, so let's just go ahead and dive in. Well, I kind of saw a thing, and I saw a letter on it, and it says,
Ba-da-ba-ba-no.
wireless speaker, pool speaker with colorful lights. Okay, I guess we're just getting in there?
Yeah, what is,
what
does it look like it does?
It is, it goes underwater light show, 8 hours of music and light show, floats and waterproof, rechargeable.
Oh.
What?
Thing of water.
Did you prepare that?
I mean, I get thirsty, so.
That's your cup?
You never know when you're gonna need a nice big tub of water.
I'm parched. I
Especially
need
for
a
the
box
summer.
of water.
Just.
Okay, anyway, here, I don't know if it's charged.
All right. Well, what we gotta do to it? Oh, so it looks like there's a charge. And then, I assume you press a whole lot of these buttons. Maybe you don't.
So
What are the instructions?
at Optim, oh, we need instructions? Oh yeah.
Oh no!
Dude, it's doing the light show already.
And it looks like it goes in this way into the water.
Are you
because
sure?
The speaker's on the top, so I would assume that the speaker does not go.
Oh! Dude, what? Hang on, can we do music too?
Yeah, I think
Wait,
so.
we gotta connect to it.
Oh!
Oh! This thing is awesome. I love this thing.
These things get a little.
Oh no, this was just your box of water.
I mean, it's a pool. People are gonna be jumping in it, right? There's gonna be splashes.
Yeah, but it's waterproof.
I mean, that's why we do these things, is to test the product.
Yeah, you're right. But can't you just enjoy this sweet beat? Here, look at this, you guys. Look how it the light shines off the bottom like that.
I mean, it may be cool just to have one in your house too, just in a bowl, like a fish tank. Dude, the fishes would love it.
What do you think?
I think for the price, I think it's a buy for me. Like I'm gonna whip down for this.
Oh, dude, for real. I would actually get 20 of these and just buying this.
I think this is
This
definitely
is
a buy.
amazing. Yeah.
All right, buy or buy again.
Number 2, dose.
Yeah. What we got in the box?
I know, man. You go. I'm gonna look. You close your eyes. I look. I'll describe it as it comes out. It looks to be something that clips on your phone.
This is a clip that attaches to Bluetooth devices, Bluetooth controllers like this Xbox controller. And it clicks on very easily right there in the front. We have one of our OnePluses here. Yeah,
It's pretty clean.
It is. It feels good. I mean, it feels like it's a little heavy. I mean,
Okay, let me see. Yeah, I could see that affecting my
like
gameplay a
your
little
wrists are gonna be jacked
Can I-
from just holding.
Oops. Oh, wow, that's weird.
Little slippery.
A little bit. Yeah, there's something weird. Maybe it's because we can't center it. Here, you try it.
It is very responsive though.
That's nice. I like that.
And if you need familiarity, this Xbox controller, this controller in particular is very, very good.
Yeah.
And it feels good. You know, you don't want to play against a lot of people when you're terrible at controls.
I don't know if you see, you guys, the way that it highlights the buttons is really nice. So it features it really well. And some of these devices don't really snap on effectively, but it feels secure. I'm on the fence, man. I'm on the fence.
What do you think? You think this is a buy or? I'm a big fan of controllers like this, and I think it's a little bit better than some of the other ones we've seen in the past. I would say this is a solid buy if you're into mobile gaming and you need a controller that you're familiar with.
Yeah, man.
It is heavy though. Look, if you let it go, it's gonna fall.
Right. Yeah, I don't know, man. I feel like, not to be a contrarian, but I'm very specific about my devices, and it feels just a little not as smooth. Like maybe if it like charge the controller or there's some kind of synergy beyond the Bluetooth, I'd be down. But I'm gonna say bye.
So we got a split reaction on this one.
Goodbye.
A buy and a buy from me. I don't know. Let us know what you think.
What is this?
I don't know.
Mini USB fan.
Oh, I get really sweaty in the summertime.
It's my biggest
so-
fan. All right, here we go. You ready? There's so many things. We have 1, 2, 3 items. It looks like there is the propeller, there is the motor and dongle, and then
adapter.
last but not least, the adapter.
So this is a USB-C adapter. So we are going to plug it in to the OnePlus.
Wait, there's warnings. The first one is, there's 2. Number 1, fan is the overall design. Don't bend. Number 2, fan motor sealed. Please don't artificial damage. You've been warned.
Okay. Well, this does not work.
Did you make it go? Did you listen to my instructions when I told
did.
you?
I put the.
Is there a button?
Yeah. No, there's no button.
You don't
It's just supposed
know.
to work. I've seen these before.
You don't know how to use
Well,
it. Here, I got
do-
you.
do
I got
they-
you. I got you.
If it doesn't come with a USB-C adapter and we bought one and it doesn't work, then that means this one.
Well, if I make it work right now,
I will be very impressed.
You didn't. I think it's you guys. I think Aaron assembled it wrong.
It does not work. Even with the adapter that we got.
Yeah.
So this is a bust, I think.
So it's supposed to just start up.
It's it's supposed to just be like a little fan that like, and
that
honestly,
was
like
cool.
even when like it doesn't even feel like anything. It feels like somebody's going.
I was like,
I'm not gonna buy it. That one's a buy from me.
you don't want
You
this.
can't, like,
I think I feel something.
like
No,
you
no.
get a better breeze from somebody farting next to you down the street than this thing.
Quote this man. Okay. Quote this man. This is a
No.
buy.
Yeah, that's a buy from both of us. So the final product, and we had to do a little bit of we had to do it, take a sneaky peeky of this one because this was way too complicated to spend the whole time assembling. But
This one's great.
it comes in a nice little neat case, which I thought was cool. This is a
Well, this is the case. I know you don't say
Case.
anything in here. This is empty. The treasure's gone.
There's
No.
nothing. It's been stolen. This is a drone, a $35 drone with a camera that attaches to your phone, and it also comes with a nice little controller here. Takes a long time to actually get it to connect to the phone, and even in the short time that we had connected it, it looks like it's already disconnected itself. There is a front camera right here, but there's also a
Bottom camera.
2 cameras with some lights, so that's nice. Again, it's only $35, so we're not expecting like an incredible flight with this thing.
What do you mean?
I
Could be
mean,
amazing.
well, we never know. You know.
Dude, put this thing in the air.
All right, let's
Yeah.
we'll have you give the test flight.
It's me, your boy. I'm Sasquatch. I'm Sasquatch.
Okay, so
is it good?
So,
is it?
I mean, you look great. You look as great as you can on this.
Thanks,
thing,
man.
You know, I will say that it's like very laggy. Like it's like a 3 FPS kind of camera. So,
It's not bad. That's like N64. kinda.
right. I mean, it's. I don't know. What do I look like?
Oh, you look great. You look great.
I look like somebody has smushed my face in like a weird way, like an old 1998 VHS, perhaps. That's about the quality you can expect with this. Okay, but let's see if this thing actually flies.
All right. Here we go. So we're gonna use the instructions and go up. 1 second. Oh, dude, you did it.
Okay, so I just pressed buttons until something happened. That's not really what you're supposed to do. But the breeze off of it is nice.
This is already better than the mini fan.
Yes, we can
This is like-
feel. Oh my.
Nice.
Okay, I'm gonna let it go.
Okay.
Ready?
I think so. I'm gonna hit myself with this just now. Oh, easy. Thank you. Oh, this feels great, you guys. Oh, little. Oh, we do some 360s.
That's way too fast. That's way too fast.
I don't know how to throttle down. I don't know how to throttle down.
It's gonna go up if I let go of it.
Okay. Oh. This thing's awesome, dude. Oh. Relax. Relax. I'm mad with power. Sorry, that hurt.
So I would say it's definitely something you want to use outdoors.
Yes. Yes. The right analog is like, yeah, dude, yeah. Yeah, you're a pro. Yes, Anakin, reach out with your feelings. Oh no! Did you slap it at him? He was like,
I think this is actually like a really good. It's cool if you can get the hang of it. I think though.
dude, I don't mean to be like so excited so fast about this, but for $30 bucks?
I would say yeah.
This is, to me, an easy buy.
It is a good buy.
Yeah.
Especially if you're like brand new to drone flying.
I think I'm winning.
Everybody down.